Welcome everyone. Welcome to my channel Cook with Heart. Today I will share a special and crispy snack recipe, chicken Sambousa. It's packed with juicy, flavorful chicken and wrapped in a crispy golden shell. Perfect for snacks, parties, or even for Iftar during Ramadan. First, I will take a pan and place it on medium heat. Then I will pour some oil into the pan. Once the oil is hot, I will add chopped onions and stir them well. I will keep stirring until the onions turn soft and light brown. This will give a nice, rich flavor to our filling. Now I will add finely chopped chicken to the pan. It's important to cut the chicken into very small pieces so that it cooks evenly and blends well with the spices. I will stir the chicken for a minute and let it cook slightly before adding the spices. Now it's time to add the spices. I will start by adding salt to taste. Then I will add red chili powder for some heat, coriander powder for a fresh, earthy aroma, and cumin powder to enhance the depth of flavor. Next, I will add a little turmeric powder for color and a pinch of chaat masala for a tangy twist. To bring everything together, I will add ginger garlic paste, which will give our filling a delicious, strong flavor. I will mix everything well and sauté for a few minutes. The chicken will start to release its juices and absorb all the spices. At this stage, I will add garam masala and sauté for another minute to enhance the taste. Now I will add tomato sauce to give the filling a little sweetness and tanginess. After cooking for another minute, I will add freshly chopped coriander leaves for a burst of freshness. Now the chicken filling is ready. I will quickly prepare a flour paste. This paste will act as glue to seal the sambousas so they don't open while frying. I will take 2 tablespoons of flour in a small bowl and add a little water. Then I will mix it well until I get a thick, smooth paste. Now I will take a Sambousa wrapper and place it on a clean surface. I will add a spoonful of chicken filling in the middle of the wrapper. It's important not to overfill it, or it may break while frying. Next, I will carefully fold one side over the filling and then fold the other side, making a neat triangle shape. I will apply a little flour paste to the edges and press them gently to seal the Sambousa. Now I will repeat the process and make all the sambousas ready for frying. Now it's time to fry our sambousas. I will take a deep frying pan and pour enough oil to deep fry the sambousas. Once the oil is hot, I will carefully place a few sambousas in the pan. I will fry them on medium heat until they turn golden brown and crispy. It usually takes about 3-4 minutes per batch. Once they are perfectly crispy, I will take them out and place them on a paper towel to remove excess oil. Our crispy, golden chicken sambousas are now ready. They smell absolutely amazing and are perfect to enjoy with tomato ketchup, mint chutney, or garlic sauce. So that's it for today's recipe. I hope you all enjoyed this simple and easy chicken Sambousa recipe. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Cook with Heart for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.